Hello, I'm Swagata. Welcome to today's talk. I'll be talking about Eratosthenes and how he found out the circumference of the earth. Who was Eratosthenes? He was a brilliant Greek polymath who lived in the 3rd century BC. He was a mathematician, astronomer, librarian, poet, and geographer. He worked as a librarian in the city of Alexandria, and he is best remembered for having calculated the Earth's circumference to a high degree of accuracy. Now, the interesting thing is that he did this by just measuring the length of the shadow of a vertical stick. We all know that the Earth's axis is tilted. It is tilted at an angle of 66.6 degrees to the plane of the Earth's orbit of revolution. And the sun's rays fall directly overhead on the Tropic of Cancer on 21st of June every year. So if you took an object and tried to find its shadow at noon on June 21st on the Tropic of Cancer, you would find that the object had no shadow. Now, Eratosthenes found that in Alexandria on 21st June, a vertical stick cast a shadow that made an angle of 7.2 degrees with the vertical. And also that at a city named Syene, there was no shadow. So from this, he concluded two things: that Syene was situated on the Tropic of Cancer, and that the city of Alexandria had a latitude 7.2 degrees more than that of Syene. This diagram will make things clear for you. Now, the distance between Syene and Alexandria is 800 kilometers. So, just using these two facts, Eratosthenes used a bit of geometry and found that the circumference of the Earth was 40,000 kilometer, which is very close to the actual figure, which is 40,030 kilometers. I performed the same experiment in Gurgaon. Now, the district of Guna is directly south of Gurgaon. It's situated at 520 kilometers from Gurgaon, and it's situated on the Tropic of Cancer. I used the same method that Eratosthenes had used, and I found the diameter, the circumference of the Earth to be 37,440 kilometers, which is not very far from the actual figure. So, this is a very easy experiment that children can perform, and they can learn about geometry, science, and experimentation. Thanks for watching.